Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about second BSc chapter ecosystem concept food chain. Introductions of food chain. A food chain explains which organism aids another organisms in the environment. The food chain is a linear sequence of organisms where nutrients and energy is transferred from one organism to the other. This occurs when one organism consumes another organism. It begins with producer organisms, follows the chain and ends with decomposer organism. After understanding the food chain, we realize how one organism is dependent upon another species for survival. A food chain refers to the order of events in an ecosystem where one living organism eats another organism and later that organism is consumed by another larger organism. The flow of nutrients and energy from one organism to another at different trophic levels forms a food chain. The food chain also explains the feeding pattern or relationship between living organisms. Trophic level refers to the sequential stages in a food chain, starting with producers at the bottom, followed by primary, secondary, and tertiary consumers. Every level in a food chain is known as trophic level. The food chain consists of four major parts, namely the sun. The sun is the initial source of energy which provides energy for everything on the planet. Second one is producers. The producers in a food chain include all autotrophs such as phytoplankton, cyanobacteria, algae, and green plants. This is the first stage in a food chain. The producers make up the first level of a food chain. The producers are also known as autotrophs as they make their own food. Producers are any plant or other organism that produce their own nutrients through photosynthesis. For example, green plants, phytoplankton, and algae are some examples of producers in a food chain. Third one is consumers. Consumers are all organisms that are dependent on plants or their organism for food. This is the largest part of a food web, as it contains almost all living organisms. It includes herbivores, which are animals that eat plants, carnivores, which are animals that eat other animals. Parasites are those organisms that live on other organisms by harming them, and lastly, the scavengers, which are animals that eat dead animals carcasses. Fourth one is and last one is decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that get energy from dead or waste organic material. This is the last stage in a food chain. Decomposers are an integral part of a food chain as they convert organic waste materials into inorganic materials like nutrient rich soil or land. Decomposers complete a life cycle. They help in recycling the nutrients as they provide nutrients to soil or oceans that can be utilized by autotrophs or producers, thus starting a whole new food chain. This is about the food chain. Thank you.